I released my last video 2 days back, but none of you went and saw that video. Fine, not an issue. But each and every one of you who commented there had the same comment. How to change location, how can I change location, whom to approach to change location, please make a video on how to change location. And that is why in this video I have decided I'm going to share with you all how you all can change your location and what is the exact procedure that you need to follow, and is it that your location will definitely get changed or not. I'm going to share my experience and I hope it is going to be interesting for you, especially those who are looking to change your location from any location to your nearest location. So let us start with the video. Now there are two possible cases over here. The first case is about the freshers who are about to join, and the second case is about the people who are already working in a company. So I'm going to discuss about both the cases over here. Now in the first case, that is, this is about the freshers who are about to join the company. So for them, they are going to receive their date of joining, like they are going to receive the mail in which it is stated their location, their work location and their date of joining. So in that mail, as I've said, their location will be mentioned. Now suppose the location is mentioned as Mumbai, but you suppose stay at Bangalore. So you obviously you would want to go to the Bangalore office. So can you change your location in that case? So in that case, it is possible. So you just have to mail your recruiter, your HR, whatever you call. So you have to mail them and state that yes, like I am interested to work from the Bangalore location. I'm not, like, Mumbai location is far away from my place, so I'm interested to to join the Bangalore office. So please relocate me. And in most cases, I have seen that the recruiters do accept your request and they do change your location from like whichever location you want. But the only problem over here is your joining might get postponed by 1 to 3-4 months, like 1 to 3-4 months. So usually it is 1.5 months, but yes, your joining is going to get postponed. So that is the catch over here. But yes, your location will change definitely. So this was the case of the freshers who are about to join. Now talking about the people who are already working in the company. So how can they change their location? And I'm sure that there are a lot of you who want to change and you all don't know what is the exact procedure. So this part is basically for them. So you have to understand that location is actually based on a lot of factors, right? Now during the training period, it is not possible to change location at all, like they won't change. So after the training period, your location is actually determined by the project that you get. So the project is the most important thing over here, because projects have their ODCs, right? Like their offshore development, like whatever ODC. So you need to work from only those offices in which the clients have ODC. Like this is usually the practice. Like you have to work from the office in which the client has an ODC. But currently there is a policy that you can work from your nearest location. So yeah, you can work from your nearest location also. But the final decision is always with your manager, with the supervisor. So what you have to do is you have to basically connect with your manager, you have to connect with the supervisor, anyone, and you have to tell them your reason that why you want to relocate to this place. And it is up to the supervisor whether that person will accept your request or going to reject. So in most of the cases they accept it, but sometimes for some clients like the requirements are really strict or something like that. So in those cases they reject it. But yes, usually they accept your relocation request. So yes, you have to just approach your manager, your supervisor, and you have to tell them your problem, like yes. And then within 1 week or 2 weeks, like all your process will get over and your location will get changed. Now a lot of you all tell me that your supervisors are not accepting your request. So in that case, like there is nothing that you can do, right? Because if your supervisor doesn't approve, then like obviously you cannot change your location. So yes, that is the issue, that sometimes the supervisors do not accept. But yes, generally they do accept. So just go and approach them and tell them that you want to change your location to this, and I hope that they are going to they are going to approve your request. In fact, I myself, I have changed, like I have relocated to Kolkata because Kolkata is my hometown, and like the process was very easy. So I just approached my supervisor and I said that yes, I do want to relocate to Kolkata, and it got happened like everything got processed within, I guess it took around 1 week for the entire process to complete. So yes, you also can go and try out, and I'm sure that it is going to work out. So yes, so what are the points that I have mentioned? That do not approach during the training period. After that training period gets over, you are going to get allocated to a business unit. So that time your supervisor, your manager is going to change. So that time go and approach the supervisor. Now the entire process is automatic, so you don't have to do anything from your end. So don't worry about what you should do, what you should not do, because everything will happen automatically. Just the approval is required from your manager. So guys, I hope that this video has been insightful and helpful for you all, and I'm sure that you have understood the way how you all can change your location, and it has been helpful. So yes, if you have liked my video, please just subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. So thank you guys very much for watching this video, and definitely I'm going to meet you all in the next video.